What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hopefully the audio is not terrible. I don't have my mic, I forgot it at home. I know I suck, but I was not planning on doing this today. I'm driving a Camaro ZL1. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Join me on this little fun trip. I gotta go put gas in it because it is almost completely out, but I had to drop someone off over here. And so I borrowed one of the cars from the dealership. Obviously I'm gonna grab the most fun one, but guys, welcome back to the vlog. Here we go. S4, remember that exhaust on the S5 we heard the other day? That'd be sick. I don't like those.
That one looks good though.
Wait, that's not a
C40.
fake badge. Yeah, hey. I mean, so I love these things. I don't know if this is, nope, that's film. Because it has the newer 8-speed in it, and it's the twin turbo V8, but it has the 8-speed in it. Maserati. Ooh. If you haven't noticed by now, we just went to Specialized and make some models. Now we're at Acme Camera. We were at Acme trying to, I think he's picking up a lens or something.
Who put it in AV mode? Down put it in AV mode. See this cool little M right here? Put it, but also look at this petrol.
I think sick.
There's your focus right there. You can swap these little guys out.
I think it's funny that every single time we come to City Creek, we literally go straight for Chick-fil-A every time.
Is there anything we should be getting besides this?
No, definitely not. Yeah. What's going on?
Go talk to him. Go get that shot.
I don't know what's going on.
There's.
She's getting it too. Wait, so what are we doing?
I don't know, I just thought it's cool. Like
this lighting,
really
this lighting's actually really nice. Anyway,
have a good day, man.
Peace out, girl. So did he say anything to you at any point?
Zero. I was like,
okay.
That's dope.
I thought maybe he was talking to you before we walked out. All right, guys, so I know this vlog has been kind of a mess so far after eating at the mall. Jeremy, everybody went home. We are gonna go head down to Harriman, hang out with my family for a little bit. It's too dark in here. What the heck is that? What is that, a butt massager? Okay, what is it?
It helps loosen up all your muscles.
Yeah, I don't think so. Wow, that was super lame. I'm really glad I filmed that.
You should try it.
You hold on to it, it does what?
Yeah, the thing shakes.
You're like her. Show him how it's done.
This is weird. My family's weird. Supposed to loosen up your butt, Chase.
But if you get on that,
yeah,
10 minutes a day, it's as good as being on treadmill for 30
minutes. Yeah, I really don't think so. Hey, it's one of those old machines from the 50s where you put the belt around your butt and it shakes you.
Yeah.
That's what she's getting that from. Guys, so I just wanted to come on here and say thanks for watching. I know this vlog was a little lame, but I wanted to get one more vlog, so a little bit more footage with this amazing camera. The Lumix S1 has been really cool so far, although honestly, I don't believe it's worth $3,500 to $4,000. Actually, I don't know the exact price with this lens. It's a 24 to 105 4.0. But guys, this camera's been really cool. It shoots at 150, 180 frames a second. I honestly think I'm gonna go to a GH5, which is still a micro four thirds sensor instead of the full frame like this one is. But it's smaller, and it's also it's smaller, a little lighter, and it's also only $1,500 for the body. I already have a lens that I put on my other camera that will go on the GH5. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for joining me on this vlog. I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.
Oh, this is helping the cookie go down.